Hey there! Thank you for joining me for this review of the Spyderco Lil Native Lockback Folding Pocket Knife. They make this Lil Native in two different locking styles, the compression lock and the lockback, and this is the lockback model. It is a smaller EDC that works great for a gentleman's carry, for an everyday carry, and fits in my pocket very well, hides away, small, lightweight, and that it weighs 2.10 ounces. It's just a nice little piece. I would give it high recommendations. The overall length on it is only 5.94 inches. And the blade length is 2.47 inches long. It's just a great little piece. Lockback locking mechanism with the Spyderco opening hole. Also has a large finger choil that allows my large to extra large hand to be able to grip the full handle and get my little finger around the end of the butt of the handle. Which is very nice for a blade length of 2.47 inches. The close length is 3.47 inches. The blade width is 1.125 and it is 0.13 inches thick. The blade material is a CMP S30V. Has a drop point blade design with a very nice satin finish. Full flat grind with a plain edge. The handle width is 1.125 inches and the thickness is only 0.44 inches. It's a G10 handle material that has light texturing. Has a stainless steel frame lock. It is a tip-up carry design with a clip that can be placed either on the back side or the front side for right or left-hand carry, with a nice larger lanyard hole. The model on this lockback model is C23OMBGP. This knife is made in Golden, Colorado, USA made. It's a nice little smaller EDC by Spyderco that I would give high recommendations to. So there we go, everybody. It is the Spyderco Lil Native Lockback Folding Pocket Knife, model number C230MBGP. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. Bye now.